comes, green flag is out, and the 20 lap Seekonk Sports Club Speedway event is underway. Double wide down the back straightaway. Look at the 17 of Blayman, 3 wide around the 64 of Rigo. The 2 of Kiefer trying to find his way to the front as everybody is bundled up 2 by 2. Off of turn number 2 they come. It's Mike Butts and Bernie McDermott give the advantage to McDermott off the corner. Butts gets sideways. Everybody gets on the brakes. Everybody able to make it through. Off of turn number 4. Mike Butts trying to hold on to that number 63 up front. Bernie McDermott, the number 84, sets the pace. Marc DeJesus in second on the grid. Tom Kiefer up to third. Here comes Rigo trying to get a run down on the inside. Can't get it done. He's got to settle in right underneath the 63 of Mike Butts. Kicks up to the third groove on the outside of Tracy Ouellette. And the 14 of Macedonia, he's starting to slide back. Taking with him the number 27 of Mike Blayman, who got caught up in that third groove. That four trucks trying to single themselves out and pull away from the rest of the field. As Bernie McDermott, Marc DeJesus, the 2 of Tom Kiefer, the 64. George Rigo pulled away to a 6th truck length lead over the number 14 of Jay Macedonio and the 87 of Tracy Ouellette. They battle for that 5th position on the track down the back straightaway. Macedonio now gets himself ahead of the number 87 of Ouellette. Here comes the number 17, former National Pro 4 Modified Champion Joe Lemay. Rigo is off the pace off of turn number 4. He drops that machine down to the inside. The field goes by and Rigo looks to be done for tonight. Action heating up front, 3 wide, deep in the back, but up front. Marc DeJesus putting that number 26 down to the inside. The 84, Bernie McDermott is right on the outside. Baldwin's in the back on that. Joshua Wheeler, Mike Butts, and Ray Perrin all get together, and that's going to bring out the caution. Mike Butts has a flat left rear tire. Joshua Wheeler, 8 laps, 7 laps complete, looking for the green one more time. Bernie McDermott and the 26 of Marc DeJesus on the front row. Tom Kiefer, Nick Macedonio, Jay Macedonio, number 14. Joe Lemay, Kevin Casper, your top 6. Off the corner they come. Green flag is out. We're back underway. And DeJesus brings it way to the outside, but it works for him as he comes off of turn number 2, way out front. Bernie McDermott settles in for a second. Here comes Jay Macedonio, the blue, yellow, and red, number 14 on the outside. He gets a run on Kiefer now, sits inside on McDermott in that number 84. Tom Kiefer right there in that 4th spot, battling side by side with the number 14 of Macedonio as they roll off the front. Kind of keeping it sideways. Macedonio gets the jump. But not by much. Kiefer is able to battle back on the inside. This time by with a halfway point, 10 down, 10 to go for the Seekonk Sports Trucks, and the leader continues to be Marc DeJesus. Way out front, almost a full half a straightaway lead over the rest of the grid. The number 84, Bernie McDermott, holding on for a second, down the back straightaway. Here comes Jay Macedonio, the number 14. Tries to get a run on the outside, but he's got a cluster of trucks behind him. The number 2 of Tom Kiefer. As Ray Celia pulls up off the track, high on the speedway, everybody goes by. And the Shady Tree Auto Sales, number 24, is off the pace. Kiefer makes it 3 wide down the back straightaway. He gets underneath McDermott. Kevin Casper high on the outside. McDermott tries to shut the door, but Joe Lemay is right inside. But now the 14 of Macedonio has a long way to go. He's over a half a straightaway behind your leader. He's got Tom Kiefer and Kevin Casper breathing down his neck as they come across the start finish line for lap number 12. Down the backstretch, it's DeJesus out front. The 14 of Macedonio, third. It's the 28 of Kevin Casper trying to get a run on the outside of Tom Kiefer in the Duke. Starting starting to string itself out. DeJesus over a half a straightaway lead over the 14 of Jay Macedonio. The 28 of Kevin Casper working his... top 5. Down the back. 13, working his way on the outside. Take him off at turn number 4. That's complete lap number 17. 3 to go this time by. And Flint's got a run on the outside. He takes a look now for 6 on the outside of McDermott. Flint sticks her up. If DeJesus rolls off at turn number 4. The collected Flint stick. 2 to go for him and the rest of the field. Casper still has not yet disposed of the number 2 of Tom Kiefer. Kiefer trying to hold on down to the inside with a white flag in the air. Now Flint is up to 6, and that's as far as he's going to go without a caution as the white flag is high in the air. DeJesus rolls off at turn number 2. Shoots it down the back. Generally, Macedonio and Leach both get together. Will they be able to pull it away? They both keep rolling. Checkered flag is in the air, and DeJesus holds on for the win. Macedonio for 2nd, Kevin Casper 3rd, Tom Kiefer 4th with Joe Lemay 5th, 6th is the 13 of Billy Flint, with the 18 of Johnny Tripp, Bernie McDermott in the 84, Billy Clark in the 1, the 87 of Tracy Ouellette rounding out the top 9, at the 92 of Nick Macedonio got together on the final lap with Alan Leach in the number 4.
Last week here at Seekonk Sports Truck didn't make it through the tech inspection afterwards. A little bit better this week, you think?
Well, actually, we got robbed last week. It was a mistake on the technical committee. This week we're running with a 9-to-1 engine and still have plenty of power.
Last week you had to run against Rich Sherman and those guys. You were running front strong all week again this week. The truck's running great.
Manchester Racing has done a great job on the motor. I've got lots of power. Really happy with the whole team. Thomas Costello, all the guys have done a great job.
Thank you, sponsors.
Yeah, I want to thank Westport Excavating, Plainswood Landscaping, Jay Enterprises, and Davis Auto Cell.
You gotta stay in this truck so you can try to come back to this one.
Nah, I've spent enough money there. I'm staying here.
All right, tonight's Seekonk Sports Truck winner once again, Marc DeJesus.